honey buns, welcome back to the rabbit hole. This video is purely a time-lapse of the Disney-inspired donut necklace I made, so the commentary on this one is going to be very laid back. Here's the supplies I used. Where was I? So to start this project off, I had to make a mold using a 3D printed donut design I created. Once the mold's set, I began shaping in the beige clay so it would fit in the mold easier. For this I used my X-Acto blade, a needle tool, and a ballpoint tool. Here I'm trying to get the donut as smooth as possible since the 3D printed surface was pretty rough. I simply layered a smooth sheet of beige clay on top of the donut and cut off the excess clay. Afterwards, I smoothed everything over, and this is how it looked. Now I'm taking a thin piece of tape and... Now I'm taking a thin piece of... I can't talk. Okay. Now I'm taking a thin piece of tape I cut up and I'm wrapping it around the edge. Okay, this is exactly what it looks like. This is a toothbrush, my friends, and before you ask, no, I didn't use it. The toothbrush was needed to add that good old deep fried texture to the donut. Next, I spent several minutes powdering chalk pastel dust onto the donut. I used a variety of colors, browns, oranges, and yellows to get this. I also used a little bit of white. Not gonna lie, this is one of my favorite parts of making charms. It's really fun and really messy. After I powdered both sides, I removed the zebra stripe duct tape and I used my brush to blend in the pastels. Then I used a toothbrush again for the texture. Once that was all done, I baked it in the oven. This is the part where I get to make the icing. So I chopped up a bunch of brown clay, chocolate clay to make the icing. I was running kind of low on TLS, so I had to really squeeze out every last drop. This part is also extremely fun. All I did was mix regular chocolate clay with TLS to make it look like icing. It took a while. I'm talking hours, so cutscene. Wow! That was so fast. Look at all that tasty looking icing. So smooth. Almost as if it took hours to make. Next I had to make the sprinkles, which also was time consuming. I actually ran out of storage space on my camera, so this is the part where I jump again to the completed sprinkles. Oh, after I baked the sprinkles, I added them to the donut, and oh, I guess I'm done. If you want to see more of my arts and craft projects, be sure to check out my Insta. Until next time, friends, thanks for watching. Have a great one.